eyes wide open, struggling in the dark, tired of all the chaos you've been through. You will find what you're needing if you open up your heart. Call his name, he's been waiting for you. And you'll find rest from your worries, you'll find peace for your soul. You'll find strength in your journey, wherever you go. You'll find light in the darkness and hope once again. When you follow the Savior, you'll find rest. Lay your head down on his shoulder, he can take the pain away. He knows exactly what you need. He's your healer, your protector. He came and took your place. So come and lay your burdens at his feet. And you'll find rest from your worries. You'll find peace for your soul. You'll find strength in your journey, wherever you go. You'll find light in the darkness and hope once again. When you follow the Savior, you find rest. And through every mountain you climb, every tear that you cry, he'll be by your side. And you'll find rest from your worries. You'll find peace for your soul. And you'll find strength in your journey, wherever you go. And you'll find light in the darkness and hope once again. When you follow the Savior, you find rest. When you follow the Savior, you find